everyone, today we are going to race on 3x3. So make sure that green is facing you and white is on top. Then right, U prime, R prime, D2, F2, up, F prime, B, F2, U2, R2, L2, up 2, L prime, R prime, U prime. So make sure that it's these two whites, two yellows, little hook thing with the green, and these corners. So I'm gonna solve it. Cross on the bottom in 3, 2, 1, go. You don't need inspection. I'm not wasting any time. There. You see it's solved. Tell me if you won or lost and by how much. And you can record yourself racing me and post it on your channel and comment. I will watch you. And tell me if you want one of these racing videos again. So, yeah. Bye.